are not doing very much at all, but but that doesn't take away from the fact that it's a pretty vibrant screen once again in the broader markets, so as to speak. And look at the PSU stocks, right? I mean, the shipbuilders is one, but PSU banks, etc. We were talking about. PNB is up 7% now. Now, PNB is, if there was, I think it would still be one of the cheaper public sector banks, large public sector banks. Maybe it's still the cheapest on that size, but there's a very large move which has come through on PNB, and many other names actually. HBL Power is another one which comes up. It corrected. The high was about 600. The low in this correction in January was about 378. It's bounced about 100 rupees from those levels, and so on and so forth. So lots of action, lots of activity in the broader space. Nigel.
All right, well, let's start winding down then. It was a day again of mid-caps. The mid-caps did very, very well. They were up close to around 0.5%. The Nifty goes home a little bit in the red. Now, stocks that did very well in today's trading session, PNB, IDBI Bank, they were flying away. IRDA, volumes very, very high on that one. That stock was up and about. Edelweiss Financial, that stock was up close to around 5%. Massive volumes out there. The mining stocks, you had Nalco, you had Moil, as well as Hindustan Zinc. All of them came out with an operational update. They have a bit of a tailwind with them. All of them both flying away. Vascon, another stock that saw a sharp correction. Stock was up in today's trading session, up close to around 6% in trade. Imfa, we spoke to the management yesterday, and the management sounded quite optimistic about prospects with regard to expansion and diversification into ethanol. So that stock as well went home with solid gains in trade today. Add to the list a couple of other names, some of them big underperformers who have popped up in trade. You have Dish TV and HCC. Both of them made it to the gainers list.
Once again, it's PSUs. They're really, topping the party. They're really at the center of the floor and they refuse to go away.
Once they get moving, it's difficult to stop them.
There goes the bell, and we've already outlined the PSU banks. PNB, of course, leading from the front with that 7.5% up move. But the shipbuilders, look at Garden Reach, 9%. Look at Mazgaon, about 12% higher. Cochin Shipyard, about 8-9% higher. Been a very strong part of the market as well. So once again, you've got over 1,700 stocks advancing today, just about 600 declining stocks. The action firmly remaining in the broader market.
All right, well, I think that gets us to a close of this edition of Closing Bell as well. We are absolutely flat once again for the Nifty. I mean, actually 2 days now, it's been within a few points, less than 10 points. But of course, from the lows, big recovery yesterday and bigger recovery today as well. It's a wrap on this edition of Closing Bell from all of us here. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.